Now, the next instruction is nothing but the how to make any block. First, we'll see the application of this instruction. So let us say suppose there is one plan of house, and let us say we have to add one fan over here, right? I have to create one fan or symbol for fan. So what I will do, I will just create one fan symbol here. Suppose this is fan symbol. So how to make a block? Let us say I will select this. There is one option to make a block. So I will click on make block. Here there is an option of pick point. So I will just select pick point as the center of this block. I will click here and enter it as a fan. Click OK. So this will act as one block, and every time I can use this. So let us say I have to just insert that block. So I will just here insert block, type here fan and click OK. So I will get fan here. So in this way you can use this fan command repeatedly. So every time we need not to prepare a fan. Only by just making a block we can create a block. So how to create a block? Let us say any shape. Suppose this is one type of block, and suppose I have to make this whole object as a block. So I will select this, I will click on make block, I will name it as, let us say suppose B1. Select the pick point. See, you have to select the pick point at as a center only, otherwise by default it will take as a origin. So select the pick point, name it and click OK. So it whole unit will act as a block. So suppose it is not appearing over here, and you have to use it many times. Let us say suppose it is there is nothing on screen and you want to insert the block. So just click on insert block, type the name of block. Let us say I have to insert the fan. So I will just click on fan, click OK. So I will get the fan. Let us say similarly, I can use another block. Let us say it is B1. I will click here. I will get it. So this is very important instructions. We can make repeatedly used block and insert it whenever we require it. Then next is a text. Let us say suppose there is one drawing and we have to name it. Let us say this is a fan. So if I want to name it, I will just click on A, click here and type the name of this block. Let us say it is fan. You can adjust the font, height as well as color. Click OK. So as per our requirement, we can write or edit the name also. So with this, we'll stop here and we'll see the next instruction in next class.